Hey, what's up guys? It's Texmer talking to you here, and today I'm excited. Look what has arrived. Yes, it's my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I'm going to unbox it for the first time and of course compare it to my mother's 12 Pro Max. This is not going to be a full comparison, just a side-by-side comparison with some physical changes, new colors, and that's it. Later on this weekend and on the next few days, I will try to compare these phones to the maximum level and try to create for you the best comparison on YouTube. So if you are excited for that, please stick around, don't forget to subscribe, and while you're down there to subscribe, don't forget to leave a like and comment down on this video. But before I get into this amazing unboxing, roll the intro. So the iPhone 13 Pro Max, let's just get started. So here's the box. As you can see, normal box from Apple. Has a tape, so let's just get a knife and get it out. Knife has been acquired, and now let's just start unboxing. First few sides have been cut and the box has been opened. The seal has been broken, and here you go. My iPhone 13 Pro Max. Wow, I'm so excited. Well, this is done, so let's get rid of this and put this baby on the front. So here you go, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and let's not take that much longer. You can see that, bring it closer, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, designed in California. As you can notice, there's no plastic wrap because Apple has removed it. In terms of saving the environment, this is their upfront to it, so they are removing even more plastic from their boxes. Now all you have, I don't think this is a plastic tab, I think this is a, yeah, you don't have any plastic on the boxes. Wow, this is like cardboard. Strange, doesn't feel like plastic. But 13 Pro Max, as you can see here, Apple 13 Pro Max, 256 gigabytes of storage. So without getting much into it, let's open it. First pull tab, second pull tab, and voila, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Wow. Let's put it to the side and check out what accessories we have. So it comes just with a lightning cord, USB-C to lightning, and the stickers. Of course, they must be Apple stickers here. Yep, there you go, Apple stickers. Normal side Apple stickers. But wow, I'm excited for this. Lightning cord, normal one, USB-C to lightning. I mean, I don't mind lightning, but Apple should have just give us USB-C to uniform the lineup. I love USB-C. I have it on my iPad Pro, I have it on my MacBook Pro, so I would like to have USB-C. But let's get into the main event of this video. So, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Remove it to the side. Check off these pull tabs too. Yeah, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Amazing phone. Love it. I mean, the color Sierra Blue is pretty strange. I never knew about this color. The phone feels great on the hand. Feels a little bit heavier than the, but I think that I like it. I like it a lot. The feeling is very different from the, from the 13 Pro Max. It's very different from the 12 Pro Max. Feels a little bit thicker. It actually feels a little bit thicker than the 13 Pro Max. But you know what? It makes it more comfortable than the 12 Pro Max to hold because it's not as thin. It doesn't cut in your hand as much. And one thing about it is being heavier makes it even more comfortable too. I don't know why, but this phone actually feels more comfortable than the 12 Pro Max to hold. I've held the 12 Pro Max for a ton of hours, but I think this phone feels even more comfortable. But cut the crap and let's get it opening. So no more plastic, as you know, and pull down. Oh, this feels good. Wow. Beautiful phone. Turn it on for the first time. Wow, the notch feels very different. As you can see there, the grill now is on the top when compared to the 12 Pro Max, Let's turn it on. 120 Hz promotion for the first time. Let's go. It's turning on. I'm excited. You probably can see me there. Hi. I'm very excited. Gosh, it's on. Wow. 120 Hz. Perfect. My God, this is so smooth. Just like my iPad Pro. But the thing is, wow, look at the notch. Very different. And you need to configure this, so later. But this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let me just get to the 12 Pro Max and let's try to make a comparison between those two. A very quick one. Let me just get it because he's recording this video right now. So let me just pull it. So yeah, got it. So yeah, I've switched phones now and I got both phones here. Wow. They are pretty similar by looks, but you can feel the difference. This one is heavier than this one, much heavier. You can feel the differences, and it's pretty amazing how just a few grams, 20 grams actually, you can notice a big difference. This phone feels much thinner in the hand, but like I was telling you, this phone feels more comfortable. I don't know why, but it doesn't cut on your hand as much as this phone. This one, because its tooth is so thin, like to this big of a phone, which is, wow, this is heavier, you can notice the difference like I told you. But this is more comfortable, this feels more like a brick. $120 Hz. This phone is on, of course. Wow, beautiful. The cameras, you can see here, oh, do not knock them over. The cameras, look, the 13 Pro Max has bigger cameras. Not expecting that, but as you know, more cameras, more light, better cameras. I will make a video comparing these two, but you can see the colors difference. We have here the Sierra Blue and the Graphite. Of course, the 13 Pro Max also had the Graphite, but I had a Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro. I've sold it. Now I only have these two. Love the Sierra Blue. Nice color, as you can see on the screen when compared to the Graphite. I love these phones. I love the 12 Pro Max review. I had a review on my channel for the 12 Pro Max. You can check it out. I loved it. But ultimately, I kept the 12 Pro because I love the size. Now I'm trying the bigger size for the first time because of the big batteries that they have now. And I mean, it's another year, another experiment. Next year I will try it out the 14. So let's just say that I love the 13 Pro Max. You can see the differences in notches. The 12 Pro Max notches is much bigger. Oh, 20%? I don't think so. More like 30%. I think Apple was conservative on us when telling us 20%. But it's a little bit deeper the notch, as you can see. But well, these are the differences between the two phones. Big first impressions between the 13 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. What are your thoughts? Do you like the Sierra Blue? Don't forget to leave the comments down below. And while you're there, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Tell me on the comments down below also, which phone would you get? A refurbished 12 Pro Max or a 13 Pro Max new? And while you're there, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. This was Textumer talking to you here. Bye.